So let's see another TypeScript topic, and the topic name is combining types. Let's understand the definition. TypeScript allows us to create new types by combining existing types. This is the simple definition of combining types. This is achieved through features like unions and intersections. How we can achieve combining types? We can achieve this by using the features. We do have union and intersection. Instead of creating everything from scratch, we can take existing types and combine them to build more powerful and flexible types. This is the simple definition of combining types. Two main ways to do this. We do have union types, this is the pipe symbol, and intersection type, this is the and symbol. Alright, so let's understand union type definition. What union type does? Basically what it does, allow a value to be one of multiple types. Think it as a or operator. So this is union type, and let's understand the intersection type definition also. So what it do, intersection type, what it actually do, combine multiple types into a single type. Think of it as a and operator. Alright, if you will think as or and, so you can easily solve any question and you can easily understand the topic also. So let's go with the example. Let me create let id, and id can be a string or it can be a number. Alright, and let's id is equal to 100, and let again write id is equal to some number. Okay, and let's console it out. Console.log id, and let's copy this and let's run it here, and let's run it here. It's running, right? And let's run. We can see that the first one is string and the second one is number. If we want to check its type, let's check the type also. What's the type of this id and what's the type of this id? So definitely we can see that the first id type is string and the second id type is number. Alright, this is string and this is number. So definitely we can see the first one is string and the second one is number. So this is the or operator, and how we can do union types by using this. Let's take how we can break this. If I'm writing id as true, alright, so here we can see that what it's saying, the boolean is not assignable to type string or number, because I have just provided the two things. The id can be a string or it can be a number, but I didn't mention that it can be a boolean also. If I'm writing that id can be a boolean also, so it will not break and it will run it, we can run it easily. Alright, so let's console it and we can see that it's also running fine. So let's run. We can see that it's giving us as true. So I hope you are understanding what union type is. Now let's move to intersection type. Alright, I have already explained you the definition. Let's go with the example. Type employee, and let's write employee id. Alright, and the employee id we can write it as a number, and let me write another type, and let's write this as employee detail, and inside this detail let's write some detailing like house number. Alright, and the house number should be a number only. Alright, and let's combine these both, combine this, and the combined type should be, let's write combine employee detail. Alright, and inside that what it will do, this is the combination of both. So what I have to write, I have to write employee, and this is the and symbol I have to write, and inside that we should have detail. So inside this employee combine employee detail, we must have both, like employee and employee detail. So how I can run this? Let's run this. I'm writing employee detail. Alright, and the employee detail type is combine both. Alright, we are combining also, and let's put the values inside this. So inside this we do have name should be we do have employee id, no? So we have to write employee id, and the employee id should be some number, and the second one we do have, we can see that it's breaking, that employee id number is not assignable to type this combining type. Are you getting that we are missing the house number? That's why it's throwing us an error. Why it's throwing us an error? Because we want both, combination of both employee and employee detail. If I'm writing and operator, so I have to write both things. I can't neglect any one of this. Like I can't neglect house number, or I can't neglect employee id. Understood? So I have to write the house number also. Let's write some number here. So we can see that it's not breaking and it's working fine. So let's console it and see the output. Employee detail, and if I'm running it, it's working perfectly fine. We can see that employee ID is this and house number is this. I hope you are understanding, right? You are understanding that how it's working and how this union type is basically working and how the intersection type is working. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Definitely I will explain you wherever you are stuck in. Thank you. I hope you understand.